In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webflow dropdown menu. This is a great feature to add a professional and functional element to your website design, making navigation easier for your visitors. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific website where you plan to add your dropdown menu. This ensures everything you do is applied directly to the right site. Go ahead and open the website editor for your chosen project. This environment is where all the magic happens. Now let's get to the task at hand. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen and locate the plus sign icon. This is where you can find various elements that you can add to your website. To streamline this process, we'll use a handy shortcut. Instead of scrolling through the options, utilize the search bar feature by typing in Dropdown. This will quickly filter the elements and you'll see the Dropdown icon at the bottom of the list. Once you spot it, you'll need to click and drag this icon to the exact spot on your web page where you want the Dropdown menu to reside. Feel free to play around with positioning until it feels just right for you. With your Dropdown in place, it's time to customize it according to your website's needs. Make your way to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Settings panel. Click on Show All Settings to expand your options. Here, you'll have the ability to edit various aspects of your drop-down menu. You can modify the style to match your website's theme and color scheme, adjust the settings to behave exactly how you envision, and even add interactions for a more dynamic feel. You'll see that Webflow provides numerous customization tools, allowing you to experiment with different elements until your dropdown perfectly aligns with your design goals. This feature proves to be quite intuitive, so feel free to explore the various options and get a little creative. And there you have it, a fully functional dropdown menu crafted right within Webflow. This addition can significantly enhance the user experience by offering a more organized way for visitors to explore your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let us know how your drop-down menus turned out, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Webflow. Thank you for watching and happy designing.